man, look at how good that looks. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Hey guys, John from Pasta Please, and I just wanted to thank you guys for 100 subscribers. Thank you so much. I'm so excited because there are so many pasta recipes on the way, including this one, which is this beautiful carbonara that I just made with pecorino cheese and guanciale, so very authentic. 3 eggs. I'm just one person, so it should be 2, but I made it with 3 because I'm really hungry. And I made it with one of my favorite pasta shapes, caserecce, which is like homemade pasta, but this is organic and store-bought, so I'm really excited to eat this. Oh, it smells so good too. So guys, more pasta recipes are on the way, just like this carbonara. Every Sunday, I'm going to release a new recipe of me cooking, and you guys can just follow the steps, and the recipe will be in the description. So don't forget to check that. Again, guys, thank you so much. 100 subscribers. I'm gonna go eat this carbonara because I'm so excited. So here we go. I'm gonna actually eat it right now. Oh man, look at how good that looks. It's fantastic. It's not perfect. Nothing's perfect, but it's really, really good. So one more time, guys, thank you so much. See you next time.